Hi, my name is Bajana Barker. I am currently working in a field placement at a hospital setting for transplants, kidneys, pancreas, and livers in one of the largest hospitals in Philadelphia. I am excited because I'm doing an extended field placement over 3 semesters instead of 2, and I'm starting my second semester right now. One of the things that I really enjoy about my current field experience is working in an interdisciplinary team. I really enjoy sitting in a team with doctors and nephrologists and hematologists and sitting there and discussing what we feel would be best with the social workers and the nutritionalists that would be best for the transplanted patient and how we feel that they would do after transplant. One of the challenges that I faced in my current field experience thus far is 6 weeks into my field placement, my task supervisor had put in her resignation, and so I would have to go to the head of the department, who is a MSW who has supervised me, and I would also have to talk to one of the other social workers that was there to just kind of get information on. And up until 2 weeks ago, I did not have a task supervisor, so I'm excited to get one again. And the one thing that I've learned about myself through the field experience is having come from a non-medical model setting for the last 15 years, I was kind of concerned about learning how to work in a medical model setting, and I'm very excited and pleased that I've adapted as well, and very surprised with myself and pleased with myself that I have been able to adapt to the medical model setting and the social work and how much I actually enjoy the medical model setting, considering that I had worked for 15 years in a non-medical model setting. So looking forward to working with all of you, and thank you.